The last race. The sun rose gently over the small town of Willow Creek. Excitement filled the air because today was the annual cycling race. Among the riders was Sammy, a 16-year-old boy with an old bicycle that squeaked at every turn. Other cyclists had shiny helmets and brand new bikes, but Sammy carried only one thing: determination. At the starting line, his friends teased him. Why even try? Your bike can't compete with ours. But that very morning, his grandfather had placed a hand on his shoulder and said, "Races are not always won by the fastest legs, but by the strongest heart." With those words echoing in his mind, Sammy gripped his handlebars tightly. The whistle blew, and the riders shot forward like arrows. Sammy quickly fell behind. His chain rattled, his legs ached, and his chest felt heavy. For a moment, he considered quitting, but then he whispered to himself, "Keep going, Sammy, don't stop now." He focused on the road. He noticed things the others missed. A sharp corner, a loose stone, a narrow shortcut through the trees. Slowly, steadily, he began to gain ground. The overconfident riders began to lose their pace. One slipped on gravel. Another's tire burst. Some grew too tired from racing too fast, too soon. Sammy, though slower, was steady. He didn't rush. He didn't panic. His rhythm carried him forward. Before long, he realized he was near the front. Only 2 riders were ahead. The last hill rose before them like a mountain. The crowd cheered, banners waved, and the air rang with excitement. Sammy's legs felt like fire, but he refused to stop. The boy in first place looked back and sneered, "You'll never catch me." But Sammy wasn't thinking about others. He was thinking about himself, about finishing the race with dignity, about proving he could endure. He pushed harder, heart pounding, sweat dripping, until he crossed the finish line. Second place, not the first or the last. And in that moment, it felt like victory. The crowd gathered around him, not because of his bike, but because of his spirit. Even the winner shook his hand with respect. Sammy, breathing heavily but smiling, whispered, "Sometimes winning isn't about being first. It's about never giving up." Moral of the story: success isn't about money or status. It's all about passion, consistency, and giving your best, no matter where you finish. Vocabulary from the story. Determination means strong will to do something. Example: with determination, she completed the marathon. Perseverance means not giving up even when things are hard. Example: his perseverance helped him learn English after many failures. Consistent means steady without stopping or changing. Example: consistent practice improves skills over time. Dignity means self-respect and pride in doing the right thing. Example: she handled the difficult situation with dignity. Reflection. Questions. Have you ever been underestimated but proved people wrong? Do you think winning is more about coming first or about finishing strong? Why? What's one area of your life where you need more perseverance? Share in the comments. See you in the next story.